guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't been posting for a while, but all I'm gonna say is that life got in the way. I had family come over. I was juggling lots of things, school, work, all that kind of stuff. So I couldn't film for you guys, but because of this isolation and COVID-19, I thought why not make use of it and film for you guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I started off with first prepping my lips with a chapstick and moved on to the brows. I'm using the Hard Candy Glamourflage Full Coverage Foundation in the color Honey to carve my eyebrows and also prep my lids. You can use any brush, but I'm just using a small detailed brush to carve the eyebrows and then later using my fingers to blend out the product. Next, I setted the foundation with a powder and filled my brows with a brow pencil in the color Medium. So now I'm using a white base for the colors to stand out and blending it with my fingers. For this look, I'm using the Green with Envy palette by Hard Candy. It's got some beautiful shades, and taking the lightest shade in the palette, I'm going to highlight underneath my brows. Next, using the lightest green shade in the palette, I'm going to use it as a transition color and place it a bit above my crease using a fluffy brush. You want to use wiper motions for this. I'm using the fourth last shade in the palette and placing it in my crease with a denser blending brush. You want to first pack the product in the crease and feather it inwards. And then blend it out with the first brush. Next, using a finer brush, take the darkest green shade and start to follow your crease line to build depth and prepare to cut the crease. And then blend the line using the previous brush towards the eyebrow. Using the same brush, pick up the dark brown shade and deepen the crease in the outer part right on top of the dark green and blend it out. So to cut the crease, I'm using the same foundation used earlier with the same brush to carve my eyebrows. Again, this foundation is really good for oily skin or using it during the summertime. Next, using this yellowish green shade, I'm going to pack the product where I applied the foundation with a small shader brush. Also feel free to go back in with a brown shade to deepen the crease and don't forget to blend. Here I brushed off any fallouts and applied the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Eyeliner in the color Black is Black off camera and moved on to the face. Using a damp sponge and any foundation of your choice, I used the Hard Candy. You want to apply this all over your face, don't forget your neck and your ears. Next, using e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer in the color Light, I'm using it to conceal under my eyes and highlighting the normal areas of my face and then blending it out with the same sponge. For bronzer, I used the Maybelline Sundream Bronzer in the color Matte Medium and applied it to the normal areas of my face. And for blush, I used the MAC Cosmetics Powder Blush in the color Mocha and moved back to the eyes. So after curling and coating my lashes with some mascara, I'm using these eyelashes for this look. If you guys want to see a separate and detailed video on how to put eyelashes, then just please comment down below. Then I went back in with the same green shadow and applied this to the bottom lash line and then smoked it out with the brown shade in the palette. For highlighter, I used the Milk Makeup Flex Highlighter in the color Lit Champagne and applied this to the normal areas of my face. I went back in with my mascara to coat my bottom lashes. The inner tear to highlight, I used a jumbo highlighting pencil and applied it with a small brush. So I couldn't get the camera to focus, but I'm using the H Sex Location matte lipstick from MAC Cosmetics, and later topped it off with the Artistry Light Up Lip Gloss in the color Champagne. So this lip gloss is really good. It glides on really nicely and smells so good. It also has an inbuilt mirror attached to the bottle, which is really convenient for travel purposes. I just love it. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, make sure you share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel as well. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!